Hi my beauty babes, welcome to my channel. Happy Halloween, or about to be Halloween, you guys. I'm so excited because we're collab with Solotica. Yes, we're gonna be doing really easy peasy just like this, you guys. It only takes a few minutes to do really quick and easy on the go makeup looks. So if you guys want to see because we have 4 makeup looks for this video, you guys, they're super the easiest makeup look that you can do for Halloween, just like this. Everything is so super affordable as well. Don't forget that we also have a discount code with Solotica, which is Nancy, that you guys can use to get money off your order. But anyways, let's get on to this makeup Halloweeny makeup looks with color lenses from Solotica. So for this first makeup look, I'm gonna be using my Beleza Gray from Solotica from the Aquarella collection. As you guys already know, these are brand new colors. So you guys already know her skin, it's really white. So I'm gonna be using this white pigment by LA Girl. It's just so light, and since I am a really medium to light skin tone, yellow tone, this color is looking crazy on me. My Morphe and James Charles palette for makeup, a little bit of that blue eyeshadow, and just blending this in here by the corner of my eye. If you're not a pro at makeup, it's okay. It's perfect for Halloween. If you're looking for something that is not perfectly made, just want to bring out the eyeshadow here, because as you can see here on the video, they do bring out that makeup a little bit more here to the bottom. It's okay to have this makeup really messy and non-perfect. Take that red tone on this other side and just blend this in how you would with the other one. I feel like this makeup from Harley Quinn is definitely much easier because you don't have to be so perfect with it. Brows, I'm just gonna fill them in with this lot of a tint to it because they don't really darken her eyebrows as much. I thought I was gonna mess it up, but it's looking good, Nancy. I love doing face makeup for Halloween. I feel like it's the greatest time of the year. For little messy brows, now we're gonna go with the good part, the lips. Foundation mixing pigments all over like my neck area, so it doesn't look so weird on the video. With this Crush EXO, I feel like this is the perfect red. Either way, if you have like a red lipstick, either way it would go perfectly. A bit of mascara just so I can add really natural lashes. So I am definitely done. I added my lashes, and this is how the makeup looks so good. I love how lashes just change the viewing of the whole makeup look, and it looks so darn good and super easy peasy. Ready, you guys? So I hope that you guys enjoy this Harley Quinn makeup tutorial. Now let's go ahead and do the other one. We're gonna be creating a lightning kind of on the side of my face. So if you guys are not like a pro, I would definitely recommend for you to do something like today's lenses. I'm actually using the Solotica Hidrocor Cielo. It's like best skinned ever concealer from Sephora. And for powder, I'm using my Laura Mercier, a secret brightening powder. Beauty eyeliner stamp and the eyeliner liquid, the stamping, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So basically you just stamp it like how you want it and take this, connect it together. Eyelashes just so it could be darker, and then I'm gonna be buffing this out like in brow brush and just my eyes wrinkling every single time I do this. So I went in with this liner here, you guys, the liquid one, because it was working for me better than the gel. In the color charcoal, this is by Untitled makeup that I'd achieve for like a really beautiful lightening for lashes. You guys, I added this, the lily lashes, and these are in the style Sing. Our third makeup look that we achieved on this video. I hope that you guys like this lenses as well. These are the Hidrocor Cielo as well. So makeup look, you guys, I'm gonna be creating a queen makeup look with this right here. I got it from Walmart, so I feel like this is also gonna be a really easy peasy makeup look. One, I'm using the Aquarella Quarterly. This is in the name Alegria Gray. So I already moisturized, and I'm gonna be using this concealer here. And of course, if you have watched me for so many years, my favorite foundation that I have used, that I have never replaced because it's always been my favorite, is the Wet n Wild one, and this is a dewy, is in the name Golden Beige, and I'm using this Sephora Best Skin Ever Concealer 12 wide. So what I like to do is just basically just apply concealer, and then I'm taking my Japanese beauty blender and setting up my makeup with this Cover Effects, and this is in the translucent light powder. So I finished mostly all of my makeup from the other side, but we're gonna be doing the same thing that I did to this part to this one right here. So basically what I did, I finished up doing my eyebrows. You guys already know. So the makeup palette that I'm gonna be taking, use mostly these right here. Well, this one, and this. Taking B2 just so here on this corner of my eye, on the creasing of the eye, and just blending in this softly. I start off really softly at first, and then I pretty much go ahead and do the same thing, but just darken it a little bit more. B3 now, and just pretty much packing this on top of this. Blending takes a while, trust me. V3 in this is more, as you can see, of a darker purple tone shade. Just pack this on the eyelid and then go back again with this leftover V2 and blend this, and really softly crease. I'm gonna be taking this one right here, and I'm gonna be taking Wet n Wild brush, the eyeliner one, and just go ahead and just fill this in. I have to go ahead and plan how I would do the cut crease on the other side. E2 from the palette. In this palette, I mean this eyeshadow, it's more like a really kind of goldy purpley shimmer shade, and I'm gonna take this one and just tap it on top of the eyeshadow. C3, and then just pat this and just blend this in on top and on the sides. 2, and then E5, more of a purple dark tone. Mascara, I'm using the Makeup Revolution mascara. Putting on these lashes, little showy eyelash. I really don't know the name, you guys, of this one. I took it out of the box, so they were just laying in my makeup vanity, and I decided to add them on with this look. I know they're for sure from Slay Me Beautiful. E2, and then just adding a little bit of that shimmer shade to my inner corner of my eyes, the whole diamonds to my face. I absolutely love this because I feel like this kind of like diamondsy, you can do a really simple makeup look and just apply these and they will look so perfect on the eyes. So whenever you take this off, you had to be careful because mine was taking off the little diamond like this. I think this is the perfect. What do you guys think? Really diamondsy kind of like makeup look. Oh my gosh, I look so cute. I absolutely love it. I still have to put on my crown because I do have a crown. My Natasha Denona blush and a highlight. Shipping, I love Solotica. Their shipping is super fast. So if you're so impatient about getting your lenses, you're literally gonna get them beforehand. I'm doing a TikTok, you guys, if I'm looking that way and this way. For the little put in, I need to, oh my goodness, I look so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this look. I feel like it's just the perfect Halloween. Oh my goodness, I'm insanely in love with this makeup look for Halloween. It's insanely beautiful. You guys, look how good we look. We look so darn good. Really snatched, and once I put on this crown, we are gonna be snatching, slaying this makeup look. Perfect. There. Oh, we look so good. We look so good. This little clips off. Oh my goodness, I am absolutely obsessed with myself right now. With this lenses are just giving me the perfect vibe, the beautiful crown. So here we go. Yes. Let me zoom out and, well, let me back out a little bit. Okay, so here we have our beautiful crown and our beautiful makeup look for this Halloween. Let me know, you guys, which one was your favorite. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with this makeup look. Love it for Halloween. You guys should do it. It's super easy and super gorgeous and luxurious and fancy, and if you're trying to look good and trying to do it really fast, I would definitely go for this makeup look. Everything looks so perfect. I absolutely love Using the Solotica Hidrocor Quartzo for you guys. So if you hear music like piano kind of, it's because I have my baby girl on the side. Mom, and yes. Fish. Yeah, fish baby. Now I'm gonna be adding these rhinestones right here. I got these from the Dollar Tree, so you can find them on the crafty section. So I'm gonna be adding, apply my lashes. I forgot, but I also got these from the Dollar Tree, and this is how the packaging looks. I'm just gonna add this little rhinestones there as well, just so you can have something in the forehead too. You have the cheekbone effect of the sugar skull. We look so good, you guys. And for the final result, oh goodness, I was waiting for this. We got our little flowers here. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Love how we looked. Really like easy peasy. I feel like this is one of the most easiest Halloween makeup look videos that I have ever done, because I never usually do these, but we look so good, you guys. These lenses are definitely popping this whole look for Halloween. So I'm so obsessed. You guys, let me know in the comments if you guys are willing to create one of these makeup looks, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys to choose what pair of lenses you guys want to purchase for Halloween. Remember, the Solotica shipping is 1 to 5 days of shipping, which is one of the most fastest ship. This is a whole video of me creating this makeup look. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the little bell so you can get notified every single time I upload, you guys. And be safe for this Halloween. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.